stopping rules. Now let's learn some other rules of stopping. And the first one is, if the last letter is rounded there, then we stop with the letter he. So al-qari'atu will turn into al-qari'ah. So no matter what the harakah is on the rounded there, we will always change it into he. Al-qari'atu. If we stop here, al-qari'ah. Muslimatan, muslimah. Now let's take a few more examples. Radiyatin, radiyah. Hawiyatun, hawiyah. Now let's take another rule. If there is an alif mad, ya mad, or waw mad before the last letter, not the last letter, before the last letter, then you can stop with either 2, 4, or 6 counts. So now let's take some examples related to this rule. As we can see in this example, there is standing fatha on ba. Also, standing fatha is just like alif mad. So, there is standing fatha on ba, and ba is before noon, which is the last letter. And because noon has kasra on it, we will change the kasra into a sukoon, and then we can either stretch the standing fatha 2, 4, or 6 harakat. I will stretch it 4 because I like to, but you'll have the choice either 2, 4, or 6. Tukadhibani will be tukadhiban. And ar-rahimi will be ar-rahim. And fayakunu will be fayakun. Now let's take another rule. If there is a soft ya or a soft waw, we already know these. Remember, we learned these in the beginning of the lesson. So if there are any of these two before the last letter, then you can stop also with either 2, 4, or 6 counts. This generally occurs at the end of the alif, so you will be stopping mostly. Now let's take some examples related to this rule. So wasayfi, we can see over here that there is soft ya before fa with kasra. And again, fa has kasra on it, so we will change it into sukoon. And then automatically, we will stretch the soft ya either 2, 4, or 6 harakat. And remember, I like to stretch it 4, but you can stretch it again, your choice. Wasayfi will be wasayf. And khawfin will be khawf. Now let me do a tiny recap of all of these rules we learned. So the first one was, if the last letter was rounded there, then we would change it into he. And the second one was, if there was any med letter, alif med, ya med, or waw med before the last letter, then we could either stop with 2, 4, or 6. And similarly with soft ya or soft waw, if they were before the last letter, then we could either stop with 2, 4, or 6 counts. That was very easy. Alhamdulillah. So, this was the last part of these lessons. We have covered all of these stopping rules. But if you still think that these lessons are hard, then watch them over and over again, so that you can know where to stop and where to not, and that you cannot change the meaning. So stay tuned. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.